Java, First Form, Part 6. Okay, let's finish up our little program here by adding a menu bar. So what we're going to do is scroll down to Swing Menus. We're going to left click and hold on Menu Bar and drag it to our frame. We do not need edit for this little program, so we're going to actually just click on it once and click delete. Okay, now we need to add a menu item underneath File. So what we're going to do is left click and hold on menu item, drag and touch it. That adds the menu item. So we now need to rename it here. So we're going to actually call it exit. Okay. Now I want to highlight the E in exit so we can use the keyboard. So I will simply use the E right there under the mnemonic. And I want to also highlight the F. Okay, so in the Windows world up there, you can actually do like Alt F and then you can click the E to get out. And that's exactly what we just did here. If I also want to add a shortcut key, I can simply double click right here where it says shortcut. So I'll double click on that. I'll click into this box right there and I will go Control Q. And now we've added the shortcut key of Control Q. We'll click OK. Now the last thing we need to do with this now is we need to put some code in behind exit. So we'll double click on exit. This takes us down to our JMenu action performed event. We will type in system.exit. And we're going to put in the number 0. Okay. So that will allow us to exit out of our program. So let's go ahead and run this. So I'll go ahead here, we'll run our file. I'll bring it down so we can see it. So if I click on File, click on Exit, we're done. If I want to run it again here real quick, I can go run File. And you can't see this, but I'm actually hitting the Control Q and it takes me out. So it's real easy to add a menu bar and menu item. We simply go to our palette, we go to our swing menus, we left click and hold drag to the form, we then go to our menu item, we left click and hold drag and touch on file. That will add our menu item. We rename it. We can add a shortcut key if we want. We then double click on it. That takes us to our code. We can lay our code in behind it, and that's basically it. So that finishes out our simple little form here, our first form here, our first example of creating a GUI Windows application.